The recently published Auditor General's report is once again confirmed that our country is being ruled by parasitic elites with neither love nor care for the positive transformation of the suffering people's lives. Aiwa muri yeZimbabwe sanapinda mashoko anoita kwapana pana Gift Ostallos achiti aiwa Auditor General's report yansobudisa pachina kuti regime never cares and abasa citizens eZimbabwe. Sanapinda mashoko amudai taura ndibvo subscribe like kuti na on the bell icon. Tipinda pendo pake anyora chiti that millions of public funds can be so brazenly looted and misused in a country grappling with over 70% of acute poverty, high levels of indebtedness, food insecurity, underdevelopment, poor public services, and deindustrialization is treasonous and a flagrant violence of our constitution that envisages Zimbabwe to be a genuinely developmental constitutional republic. Our country is being looted in a broad daylight, and citizens who must take a stand and collectively solve this mess and crisis of leadership. In such time, silence is not an opinion. Fellow citizens, we must organize. It's homeland or death. Mashoko anoita kwapana pana Ostallos achiti aiwa the regime aitomborina kana basa nazvo vanoluta masikati machena, but ari kuyachivati let us rise up Zimbabwe. Zvitori nani kuti tipetitione aiwa toratidzira todemonstrata zvangova paviri kuti is either it is our homeland or we die. Anoitaura mashoko kuti zvitori nani kuti tofira nyika inoi. Tudze mafungiro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pemashoko aGift Ostallos vinai kume section medu. Subscribe, like, turn on the bell icon.